Thanks for checking out our DashSkin video install guide for Chevy and GM trucks and SUVs years 95 and 96. To ensure you order the correct color, locate your trim code located inside your glove box and compare it with our trim code guide. To remove the cup holder insert, simply take a flathead screwdriver and pry up on each side as well as in the middle to remove the clips from the dash. After you install your DashSkin, that's when you'll reinstall the cup holder insert. Now let's remove the fuse panel cover, and we can reinstall it after the DashSkin is installed. The front lip of the DashSkin tucks behind the bezel, so take a plastic putty knife and gently pop the bezel away from the dash. You do not need to completely remove it. And now to remove the 3 bolts on the defrost portion of the dash, you'll need a 7mm socket and a socket wrench. To start, let's thoroughly clean your original dash using a commercial grade degreaser such as Zep Purple, Purple Power, or Simple Green. Next, let's dry fit your cover to verify alignment and fitment and plan where weights will need to go. We recommend applying silicone to any existing cracks on your dash, as well as outlining any holes in your original dash. If your dash is extremely cracked like this one, you can add an extra tube of silicone to your order at DashSkin.com. Next, let's apply silicone to the underside of the DashSkin, using the same pattern illustrated in your install guide. Now we're ready to install. Carefully place your DashSkin on the original dash and go over any seams and edges and make sure that everything lines up perfectly before applying your weights. Reinstall the fuse panel cover over your DashSkin. Now we'll take the 3 bolts that were in the defrost portion of the dash and reinstall them. To reinstall the cup holder insert, simply put it in place and push down where the 3 clips are. Since you can't get weights up by the windshield, simply cut some pieces of cardboard and wedge them between the dash and the windshield. Now let's apply the weights evenly across the entire dash. You can use sandbags, reams of printer paper, or even phone books. For the front surfaces, we use a telescoping prop rod to apply pressure. Alternatively, you can use a piece of PVC or wood cut to length with a rag on each end. For the sides of the dash skin, simply close a rag between the door and the dash. After the 6 to 8 hours of curing, you can remove the weights and enjoy actually having a dashboard again. Thanks for checking out our install video. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe and follow our page. With so many options when shopping online, thank you for choosing DashSkin, where all our products are and always will be made right here in the USA.